Yeah, I imagine that when it comes to the concept of the easy button and taking friction out of the process and making it seamless, that's a big win because especially now where there's such a rapid pace of construction going on now because of so
Yes.
many older obsolete facilities that either need to be repurposed or just building from scratch to take care of AI workloads and high performance computing that as much as the physical security may not be getting anywhere near the kind of headlines as cybersecurity and all the issues
Right.
that are going on with density and grid power and everything like that, like physical security goes down. It's
Sure.
it's a major problem, right?
Oh, absolutely. And it's not even just like the security of like a bad actor coming in. If you have doors that are breaking on site for whatever reason, temperature control is another major issue
Oh
in the
yeah,
data center
yeah.
world. And that goes, from the docks all the way into the inner aisles, right? So you have a lot to take into consideration and making sure all of that's working properly. I want to say I read somewhere that it was like anywhere from a couple $100,000 to $1 million for every minute of downtime for a data center. And so making sure that your facility is operating the way it's supposed to is critically important for these folks.
What's interesting too is I talk to a lot of people on the facility side who tend to spend a ton of time on heating and power and cooling and sensors. You don't hear that much visibility about your category, which is why I guess it's awesome that it's this green space for you to get out in front and take the lead as the subject matter experts and the trusted advisors in the space and really leaning forward with an educate first approach.
Mhm. Yeah, it's been fantastic. We're a company that I like to say you don't really hear too much about until there's an issue, and then you're scrambling to figure out who you can call. And so for us to be proactive, working with these folks, scheduling the preventative maintenance, getting the schedules built, it really does make a big difference to these folks.
Yeah. So with that in mind,